Hello, hello. Twisted Sage here. Um, I missed the sending the video out for Taurus Moon. Um, the way it did the weather. I don't know. The last few days were kind of decently warm. I guess that first day of Moon in Taurus was actually kind of windy. But we do have Mars and Uranus, the fixed air planet, both at last degrees, 29 degrees. So I don't know, I feel like I could see a correlation within that. Last 2 days here up at Eager, so have been kind of mild, overcast, definitely kind of a hazy Piscean fog, I would say. Yeah, this Mercury in Pisces isn't serving me well. So yeah, the morning I woke up after the weekend of the Rick Levine workshop at the Tucson Astrologers Guild. I had a fairly decent drive home. Things I'd say the weather overall was a hazy. Came across an accident in between Globe and Oracle. But yeah, as soon as I got home, well, by home I mean the White Mountains, I run over and get my boy Jaden over at Grandpa's, which is still 70 miles from my home. Okay, got home. My mom wanted me to get some groceries, so I went ahead and went right back to the grocery store. Since then, I can't find my wallet. I'm feeling like it's a Mercury ruling over the mind, being in the conscious, unconscious fog, but somehow benefic Pisces. Definitely a good sign of that. Although I am throughout time accustomed to misplacing. I like to call it misplacing, not losing my wallet or keys, but I am pretty good at both of them. And I contribute that to a busy mind, really. I don't like carrying a wallet most of the time on me. Of course I do, but especially when I'm in my vehicle, I like to take it out because I just don't like the way it messes with the feng shui of my body, I guess you might say, in a few terms or another. But yes, we're going to be dealing with our minds underwater for at least 60 days. We're only a couple days in. I guess I will report on what happens if hopefully my wallet shows up. 9.5 times out of 10, it's always me, and it always does show up. But it's been kind of an inconvenience. Yeah, I would say the moon now in Gemini, we got, I can't give you the exact degrees at the moment, but in sign-wise, we have a bit of a T-square. Jupiter in Sag, Neptune in Pisces, and the moon in Mercury. So, yeah, easy to be delusional. We're fixing to hit the month of delusion. Oh boy. I did, however, get some taxes filed, so that was good news in this. Oh yes, yesterday too. Talking about deception, or just thinking a situation's going to be different than when you heard it, I guess, maybe. I don't know if that's the right way to put it. I went over to check on a side job of a buddy of mine's, and it wasn't his fault. I know my communication skills aren't always the tightest, but totally thought I was going to be able to get started, get somewhere with it, and I got bills to pay, and it's definitely this surrender is definitely going to be one of the key terms of the month. Surrender, as more planets pile up in the party of Pisces. Anyways, I'll give a further shout out update when Moon hits my home moon sign of Cancer. Namaste.